Unemployment in the European Union held steady in August, according to new data from Eurostat. The unemployment rate across the Union stood at 5.9% in the month. In the euro area, unemployment was up slightly at 6.3%. Poland had one of Europe's lowest rates of unemployment at 3.2%, so that is up slightly year on year. Meanwhile, Spain had the highest at 10.3%. That is lower, though, than August 2024. In Ireland, meanwhile, unemployment remains well below the European average at 4.7%. Less than 1 in 10 Irish business leaders report being experts in strategic areas, including innovation and change management. That's according to a white paper from the Irish Management Institute, which says that gaps in strategic leadership could undermine Ireland's competitiveness.
The word I hear time and again from senior leaders is overwhelm. You know, people saying, I've never had to work so hard just to stand still. And that's because there's so much to get done. And these days, we're all expected to be experts in purpose. We're meant to be experts in technology. We're meant to be experts in all of the geopolitical challenges. And we've to get the day job done. So that's the reality. And it's a tough reality. But we need to step back from all of those very real challenges and actually plot a future where our companies and our competitiveness are sustainable.
Tesco expects to make an even bigger profit this year than previously predicted due to stronger sales in Ireland and the UK. The retailers reported a 4.8% rise in sales in Ireland in the first half of the year. In the UK, like-for-like sales were up 4.9% in the 6 months to late August. And despite cost of living pressures and fears of tax rises in the UK, it anticipates a robust Christmas trading period. Tesco now expects full-year adjusted operating profits of between £2.9 billion and £3.1 billion. The company behind ChatGPT has been valued at $500 billion, a dramatic increase in a matter of months. The valuation is based on a share sale in which current and former employees offloaded shares to the tune of $6.6 billion. Based on the price they achieved, it gives the company as a whole a $500 billion valuation. And it compares to the $300 billion valuation OpenAI was given as recently as August, highlighting its rapid growth in users and revenue. Its revenue for the first half of this year was 16% higher than its full-year revenue in 2024. Online fast fashion retailer Shein plans to open its first bricks and mortar shops in France in November. The Chinese brand has struck a deal with department store owner Group SGM and will see shops open in 6 French cities, including Paris. Shein has previously opened temporary pop-up shops, including one in Dublin's Jervis Street shopping centre in 2022. But the move to permanent shops has attracted criticism, including from Galeries Lafayette, which said it would seek to stop the openings at the department stores that use its name under a franchise agreement. Now taking a look at the markets. The ISAC 20 index is 0.6% higher. Bank of Ireland and Kingspan have gained. Origin Enterprises and Glenveagh Properties are both lower. In London, the FTSE index is up marginally, while the DAX in Frankfurt is 1.2% higher. The CAC in Paris is up 1.2%, while in Tokyo and K closed 0.8% higher. And on the currencies, the euro buys 87.2 pence sterling and almost $1 and 17.5 cents. That's the business news.